These are going to be our ingredients. We have half cup of butter, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, regular white granulated sugar, 3/4 of cup of plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt, 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 or 2, depending how much you like vanilla, tablespoons of vanilla, half cup of aquafaba, 1 tablespoon of lime, or you can use lemon, and then we have half cup of milk. First of all, we are going to add the baking powder to the yogurt and let it react. We are going to use it later. Let's get it started. We are going to put the butter into the bowl. Make sure it's room temperature. You can put it in the microwave to warm it up a little bit. This is ready to add the sugar. Make sure the butter turns like white or a very light yellow. Make sure it's creamy and looks very soft. Now we are gonna add the sugar. Add the baking powder and the yogurt we had previously mixed. It should look like this. It should have bubbles. Incorporate vanilla. Now we are going to alternate flour and milk. And then, as soon as you see your butter homogeneous, turn off your electric mixer. Now in a different bowl, we are going to work on aquafaba. Add the lime. Your goal is to form peaks. This aquafaba I have is the remaining liquid from a cane chickpea product. It should look like this. We should be able to form peaks. We have our batter over here, so let's add the aquafaba. We are going to add it, dividing it into small portions. Make sure you stir that well, but do it softly. Let's keep adding and mixing. Imagine you were wrapping the batter within it. This is how it should look like after we add the aquafaba. We have our cake pan over here and we are going to spread butter to the whole container. Now we are going to add some flour. Minimum quantity, and then whatever we have left, we can get rid of it. Just toss it. Now we can add our butter into the container. Make sure your bowl ends up really clean. Don't waste anything. Now let's make it look equal. We want same quantity for both sides. How can you know if the cake is ready? It usually takes 30 to 45 minutes, but you can always test it. You can use a thin knife, or I'm using a thermometer because it's really small, and doing this, and then if it comes out clean, means the cake is ready. So now I'm going to use this knife to clean the edges, or I want to separate the cake from the pan. Do it slow and be careful, so when you flip it, you get the best results. You can do it twice to make sure it's all separated. We are going to flip this cake and get it upside down. So let's do this really quick. Then we're gonna tap it, and then we have it over here. Let it cool it down 20 to 30 minutes, and then it's ready to cut. Now let's try it. So we have it ready to try. It's fluffy and moist.